Customizing status toolbar really helps the PowerMill user to view the parameters easily of the activated toolpath rather than opening the toolpath form one by one. For example, if the user interested in viewing step over and depth of cut of a particular toolpath in the status toolbar, the user can customize these informations in the status toolbar. How to customize it? If you look at the PowerMill window, the bottom across is your status toolbar, where you can find some of the informations already available, like the informations of the cursor movement, unit systems, tolerance of a particular toolpath, thickness, diameter, and tip radius. So what if I need to view the step over and depth of cut of a particular toolpath? If you go on File Options, Application Options, find the status toolbar and expand it. Go to the preset fields. So these informations are already there and it is highlighting here. Now I want to create some other parameters like step over and depth of cut. For that, go to your user defined fields. Here you can able to make up to 4 user defined settings. So click any one of that and you specify the label name as my step over, and in my expressions also I will put step over here as my parameter name is also the same. So how to find the parameter name? So go to any of the toolpath form. From here you can extract the parameters of a particular field. So you right click over the step over field, go to the properties, you can able to get the parameter name as here. So I already given my step over parameter name here. So once you enter this parameter name, you can able to find here the step over label name and your value of the particular toolpath. So here my step over value is 14. You can see the value here also as the same. So next one, I'm going to configure my depth of cut, my parameter for this particular roughing toolpath. So I right click over the properties here and copy the parameter here. The step down parameter name varies to roughing and finishing. So here for roughing, this is the parameter name. Copy this here and paste it. So you can see now the step down value is 3.5. Also it is mentioning as same. Likewise, you can customize any of the parameters of the particular toolpath and view it easily.